You haven't heard the last of us, officer. Together we are strong. Come on, man.
Well, they got experts for everything these days.
You give up.